Good morning, friends. It's Monday, December 7th, Pearl Harbor Day, and we're ready for lesson number 64. All right, let's read our sounds. Gull, burr, st, mp, kt, spur, sp, sn, swa, sm, full, sk, st, dir, coal, pull, soul, cur, bull, tur, fur, gur, nt, ft, sk, sure, oak, sp, per, skr, nd, olt, ing, ink, stir, spole, squat, thur. All right, and we're going to spell the sounds. Okay, so you can use a piece of paper. You can use a whiteboard. Anything that you can write with. And if you want to make a list on a piece of paper and then take a screenshot and either upload it to Seesaw or send a picture to your teacher, that would be fabulous so we can check on how you're doing. All right, the first one is skr. I want you to say it, skr, and we're going to write it, skr, skr, S-C-R. Our next one is sure. You say it, sure. You spell it, sh-er. So a 3-letter blend. Okay, the next one is x, x. You say it, x, and write it. That is the letter X. All right, we want to write down, we've done the long I 5 different ways. Let's see if you can come up with all 5 ways. So 5 ways for the long I. Remember, it's going to say its name, so it's going to say I. I'll give you a minute, and then you can check your work with mine. All right, so we've got I, consonant E. We've got Y, consonant E. We've got just a Y, as in try or buy. And then we've got IGH. All right, give yourself a round of applause if you got that. All right, our last one is ow, 2 different ways. How can we write the sound ow? 2 different ways. I'll give you a minute to think and then we'll check it. All right, showdown. Let's see what you got. All right, we've got OW and OU. Okay, we're ready to read our words. 2, there, give, they, come, where, some, against, very, says, want, to, any, been, have, should, live, could, again, would. All right, eager, discreet, harpoon, domain, bookshelf, leaflet, mushroom, oatmeal. Monsoon, 16, sustain, eastern, between, railroad, retreat, renounce. Prevail, beneath, 13, mistook, decrease, maybe, thousand, steamboat. transfix, emblem, contrast, sandwich, upgrade, tendril, impress, pumpkin, 100, dandruff, complex, fondness, transport, frankness, express, template, inspire, inspect. Were you saying them with me? All right, say these sentences with me. The car slid on the concrete bridge. I would like an upgrade to first class. The concrete driveway will soon be dry. Impress me with the facts. All right, and we're ready to spell our words. So we've got a soft C word to start with, and it is prince. You say it, prince. Let's spell it. Ince. Prince. Okay. All right, so Prince. Check your work. Great job. Our next one is, it's got the owl. Okay. And it is pounce. You say it, pounce. Let's spell it. Ounce. O-U-N-C-E. P-O-U-N-C-E. Our next one, I want you to go ahead and think about how we would segment it and then what kind of syllables we have on each side. So it's inspire. We have inspire. Let's spell it. Inspire. So remember we have the vowel, consonant, 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 vowel. So a vowel, 3 consonants, and a vowel. We can either split it between the first and second vowel consonant or the third and fourth consonant. And I like to remember that if I can see a chunk of a word or a blend at the beginning or the end, that I like to keep that together. All right, so for this one we have in, and then we would break it. Spire. Okay, and our first syllable, since it ends with a consonant, would be closed. And then our second one ends with a silent E. So it would be a closed, and this one would be a silent E. Great job. All right, our next one is mile. Say it, mile. Let's spell it. M-I-O. It's got that long I sound. So M-I-L-E, mile. Okay, our next word is a sight word, the word whir. Say it, whir. Go ahead and spell it. W-E-R-E. Okay, now we have a soft G word, barge. You say it, barge. Let's spell it. B-R-J. That R is 2 letters together, and then J. So B-R-J. Sounds like a J, but it's a soft G. All right, our next one has that ow sound again. Lounge. You say it, lounge. We spell it L-O-U-N-G. Lounge. Good job. All right, I'm going to say the next one and give you a chance to write down what you think, and then we will check your work. And I'll be erasing some of my work I've already done. So this one you want to segment like we did on inspire. It is the word complex. You say it, complex. So let's spell it K-A-M-P-L-X. Okay, so you work on that one for a minute while I erase my words. All right, so for complex, we want to do com, break it apart, and plex on the other end. And both of these actually end with a consonant, which is any letter that's not A, E, I, O, and U. So these are closed syllables on both sides. So we should have a C on both sides. Okay, our next word is inquire. You say it, inquire. Let's spell it. I-N-Q-I-R. All right, we've got that word in and then choir. We worked on that ire ending. Okay, our next word is a sight word, said. We see this all the time in our reading. Say it with me, said. S-A-I-D, said. Okay. Our next word is prance. You say it, prance. We spell it P-R-A-N-C. Soft C, prance. Okay. Our next sight word is one, as in the number one. We are number one. So that one is O-N-E. And our other sight word is are. We are ready for school. Are, A-R-E. Okay, and let's go ahead and do one more syllable break and tell me what kind of syllables they are. It's inflame. Say it. Inflame. Let's spell it. I-N-F-L-A-M. Right, so I'm going to give you a minute. We've got that in again. So I think I would split it between the N and the F. All right, so we've got inflame and split it here. So N, we've got, is a consonant. So that part is a closed syllable. And then the other side is the silent E. All right, so we have two more sentences, and then we're done with our lesson for today. So the first sentence is, Jack had stage fright. 4 words. Repeat it with me. Jack had stage fright. Remember how we start our sentences with a big letter and punctuation at the end. So Jack had stage fright, period. Okay, did you get it right? Go ahead and check and make sure. We had that soft G word in there, and then that long I in fright. Okay, our next sentence is, I might not take the shortcut. So a compound word there at the end. 6 words. Let's repeat it. I might not take the shortcut. Okay, capital I, always, I by itself, always capitalized. Long I might not take the shortcut. All right, great job this morning, friends. Have a great day.